Top 5 AI tools that help you work 3 times faster. Hey everyone, this is my first video. If you like this video, please support me by hitting the like and subscribe. In today's video, we're talking about something that can seriously change the way you work. I'm sharing 5 AI tools that can help you finish tasks faster, stay organized, and get more done without burning out. These are tools I use every day, and they've helped me work up to 3 times faster. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT, your everyday AI assistant. ChatGPT is the tool I use more than anything else. It can write emails, summarize articles, generate ideas, explain complex topics, and even help you plan your entire day. One of the best ways to use ChatGPT is by creating custom instructions or giving it clear prompts about your style and goals. This makes your results cleaner and faster. If you ever feel stuck on a project, open ChatGPT and ask it to help you break everything into small, simple steps. You'll be surprised how much time you save. 2. Claude, best for long documents and deep analysis. Claude shines when you need to deal with long, complicated files. You can upload a PDF, a Word file, or even a full research document, and Claude will break it down for you. If you're studying, analyzing data, or working on reporting tasks, Claude can save you hours. You can ask it things like, give me the key points, explain this in simple terms, summarize this section and create action steps. It's fast, accurate, and great for anyone who deals with heavy information. 3. Notion AI, your smart productivity workspace. Notion AI is perfect if you want to manage your tasks and projects in one place. It can generate notes, rewrite messy text, and create clean summaries from your meetings or brainstorms. A powerful trick is letting Notion AI turn your unorganized thoughts into structured plans. For example, turn random notes into a to-do list. Turn voice recordings into clear meeting minutes. Rewrite your ideas into something professional. It's like having a personal assistant living inside your workspace. 4. Perplexity, the fastest AI search engine. Perplexity is one of the best tools for fast research. Instead of scrolling through dozens of websites, it gives you direct, accurate answers with sources included. It's amazing for learning new topics quickly, checking facts, or comparing information. If you're creating content, working on school projects, or building reports, Perplexity can save you a huge amount of time. Just type a question, and it does all the heavy research for you. 5. 11 Labs. Generate natural, human-like voiceovers. If you make content, 11 Labs is a game changer. It creates realistic, human-sounding voices from any script you give it. You can choose different tone, styles, or accents depending on the type of video you're making. And if you write your script in a clean, simple, conversational style, just like this one, the voice sounds even more natural. For YouTube creators, podcasts, audiobooks, or even business videos, it helps you create professional audio in seconds. These 5 AI tools can transform the way you work if you use them the right way. Start small, try 1 or 2 at a time, and build your workflow around what saves you the most time. If you want more videos about AI tools, productivity tips, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.